How to use X Design. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use X Design. X Design is a cloud-based CAD modeling tool within the 3D Experience platform. It is developed by the creators of SolidWorks. In order to use X Design, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in x-design.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of X Design. Once you reach to this page, at the top right, you'll be able to see the Get Started option. Click on it. And then from here you will need to select one of these sign-in options in order to sign into your account. If you prefer using Google account, you can select the first option, and if you want to use your email address and get a verification code, then click on this sign in with email. Choose one of these options based on your preference. After that, you'll be able to sign in or log in to your account. Once logged in, now you'll be able to see different image tools, video tools, filters on this platform. You may use any one of them. Make sure you're using the free one. Now you can start using the design tools available here, or if you want to edit the image yourself, then click on this gallery-like icon at the top and then select a photo from your gallery. Once select, now you will be taken to the editing space. Here now you will be able to use various tools available here in order to edit your photo or video. And once after editing it, click on the save option right here, and once it is saved, at the top right you'll be able to see the download option. Click on download and then select the format of the image, then click on this download button right here. By doing so, you'll be able to download or export the file to your gallery. So by following these steps, you should be able to use X Design account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.